Hey guys, Courtney here, Lost Puppy Ranch. You know, yesterday at this time, I had a sunburn going already. And now I'm in sweats. Stella, no. And a hoodie. And it's actually cold. I don't even think it's 50 degrees yet. Back to gray skies. No sun. You know, I just want some consistency in life. Just a little bit. I'd be okay if it was like 50 and the sun was up. I'm not okay with this. At least the wind isn't too bad. Like, there's not much of a breeze at all right now. If there was, we'd still be inside. But, got Stella, Rusty, and the Bigs and CJ are all behind me. Gonna try to sit outside for a while. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I'm hoping it warms up. I mean, yesterday it was already high 60. Like, my ears are even cold. It's not supposed to storm till later tonight. I don't know. Just a very weird start to spring, I guess. I'm just not feeling this cold weather at all. Not a fan. Not a fan.